This YouTube studio you are seeing is fake. Here is my original background. In this video, I'll show you how to change the background of YouTube video to make it look more professional. Even though you don't have the money to buy all these expensive gadgets and accessories you see other YouTubers having. So if you've been wanting to start up a YouTube channel and the only thing holding you back is your background, you don't know where to shoot, then this video got you covered. So all you need to do is give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you love this information you're about to hear, guys. Okay, so now let's jump right into the steps of like creating this YouTube studio background for yourself. Now in this video, I'll be showing you 4 steps you need to take. 4 very important steps to help you create this background like mine. So ensure you stay to the very end so that you get the full information I'm about to share on my video right now. Step 1 is to record yourself. Obviously, you need to have a record of yourself in order to take it through this process I'm going to show you to add your background. And now when recording, there are points to note. Getting a good light is one of the important points you need to note when creating a video of yourself. Yes, this will first of all, your audience can see you. Yeah, because if this video is not so clear, you will not want to watch it to the very end. Okay, and number 2, the tool I'm going to be showing you where about to remove your background, you need light so that it's not going to cut out any part of your body or something like that. Okay, so all you need to do is get a ring light or probably a LED light. I make use of a ring light. Yes, you can see you can have probably a LED light, or even if you don't have it, if your room is well lightened up, you can just turn on the bulb in every aspect of the room and you are good to go with the lighting. You don't have to stress yourself too much when it comes to getting a good light. Now, the second point to note is having a phone stand. Yes, I know most of us we use our phone to shoot. Even myself, I make use of my phone to shoot this video currently I watch it. But what I do is a phone stand. Don't give someone your phone to. This is because of stability. Yes, when you give someone your phone to hold, probably the person's hand will not be stable for a very long time. So having a tripod is going to help your video stable. Because if your video is shaking, it's not going to align well with the background once you fix the background, and it will make your video look professional. Remember, the reason why I'm creating this video is to show you how you can change your background to make it look like a professional background. Now, the third point to note when recording yourself is your background. Yes, I'm going to advise you to make it of a plain background, no matter the color, better to create the video to change it from a normal background to a studio-like background. This so that with just one click, you can able to move the background and put in the studio-like background. Okay, and now the fourth thing you are going to note is your audio. Yes, even after showing you how to change your background from a normal background to professional background, if people cannot hear you, they will still not watch your video to the very end. It's just like now, I will come to my video to see how to change your background. You will definitely make this place because I will not pass in a message. Remember, there is no good video without a good audio. So I created a special video for you. Even if you don't have money to get a microphone or probably you don't have a second phone to use a microphone, all you need to do is to watch this video, see right here on your screen, to go and check out the video on how to enhance your audio, yes, to improve the audio's quality. The link will be in the share box below for easy access. Okay, so now the second step is to get your background image. Yes, the image you would like to use for your background, you have to get it. So what you're going to do right now is to go to our browser and go to free pick. All right, come here, download free videos, vectors, photo, and the rest of them. What you're going to do right here is to search on the image you want to use. Okay, so let's go for YouTube studio background. All right, YouTube studio background. So right here, as you can see, there are varieties of background for you to go through, for you to select from. There are lots and lots of background you can select from for your YouTube. Okay, I guess I'm going to go for this one, this very first one here, or even this one. Now, there's one thing you need to note when you're trying to select your image for your background. You need to note the color of clothes you're wearing. Yes, the reason being that if you're wearing a dark clothes, you shouldn't try and pick a very dark background so that your audience can still see you. So just note the background that is going to suit both the context of your video, that's what you're talking about, and also the clothes you're wearing and every other thing for it to be appealing to your audience. Okay, all right, now that I've deleted from this free pick, in case after searching for a background, you did not see what you're looking for, or because of the niche or the type of video you're about to create, you didn't see it here. So what I'm going to do is to come here, go to a new tab. You've got Ideogram AI. So now, once we're in Ideogram AI right here, what we're going to do now is to create a prompt. Yes, what do you want to create when you go? This Ideogram AI is an AI tool that's to help you create any image at all you want to create. So right now, I'm going to be using this prompt. However, you must not use this prompt I'm going to show you right now. You can, use the one that's going to suit your video. Yes, the one that's going to suit your video best. Okay, generate This is generate a YouTube studio thumbnail background with the 3 verse photo frames, floating shelf with accessories on it, and some cool things that can be added to make it look professional. Right now, what I'm going to do now is to select the frame size. I have 16:10, so it's going to look like a normal YouTube thumbnail. I click on it, I click on generate. So it's already generating my images for me, right? It's counting down. So once you use this thing, it's generating an image for you, and then just wait for the image you've generated. All right, so I don't like any of this thing generated. Let me write a realistic, create a realistic. Let me add realistic, create a realistic YouTube. And click on generate again. Let's see what's going to bring out. So guys, this is what this Instagram AI generated for us, but I don't like how this is. Personally for me, I don't like how it is. So I'd rather go with the free picks one, with this free picks one over here, than to use this Instagram AI. So if you prefer this Instagram AI's one, you can go for it, but I do not prefer it. So now to go to our background image, we're moving over to step 3. And if you are watching this video to this very point, it means you really want to learn how to change your background. So guys, all you need to do is give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button below, and turn on the notification icon. So whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Because guys, this information I'm giving you is something that's going to ease up the stress of looking for how to get a nice background or setting up these expensive things just for you to make your videos. But just in steps for free, you can create it. So I give a thumbs up and also you subscribe for this. Okay, and that's my step 3. So now let's jump on to step 4, which is now creating the video itself, editing the video. Yes, okay. So the tool I make use of when it comes to this aspect is CapCut. All right. So what I need to do is to go to my CapCut. All right, this and this. Sorry, I'll import this. Then now let me import the video itself. The video that I want to make use of. This is the video. I import it. So the very first thing I want to do is to bring down this image. The image is the first thing you should bring down on your CapCut. And once you add it, you can now bring down your video also. Okay. So once it's here, you now need to drag this image to fit the timeline of this video. So now to remove the background of this your video, all you need to do is click on cutouts. Click on the video first of all. That is, as you can see over here, my mouse is on the video. I click on cutouts, then I click on auto cutouts. So all I need to do is wait for CapCut to automatically cut out the background for me. So guys, as you can see right now, it is really done, cutting out the background for me. Then what I have done is to zoom it for it to fit perfectly. All right. Okay, let me just cut this part out. So let me just cut this part. All right. Bring it over here. So right now, I'm sure you will notice that it's not looking, it is not matching, it's not aligning. So what I want to do right now is to go to effects. Go to effects and go to lens. Then scroll down. Until you see blur. Right, so what I want to do is to drag this blur over here to the background. All right, now I need to reduce the intensity. I don't want it to be so intense. Okay. But I want to make it look like that's my perfect background. I leave it at 10. All right. Okay, so right now, as you can see, this is the video. Okay, now that I've added this over here, and all I need to do is export this video right now. Click on this place, and to export it, click on it, export it, and now publish it anywhere I want to publish it. And with this, guys, you create a YouTube studio background for yourself, even though you don't have a perfect background. Okay, but as you can see from this video, this background is not so perfect. Yes. However, when it's time for you to do yours, you need to take your time to look for the perfect background that's going to fit this your clothes or that's going to fit the video we are creating. So once you're done, you can just export and publish it. So guys, if you watch this to the very point, I'm sure right now you've gotten the step-by-step process on how you can create this YouTube studio background for yourself for free. using these tools I just showed you. Okay, so if you're not giving this video a thumbs up, guys, kindly do that right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to get inspired. Okay, and like I said, guys, I have another video where I explain to you how you can enhance your audio quality. Yes, while creating a video, you need to also be aware of the audio quality. So what you need to do is check out the description box below or click on the link above to go and watch that video on how to enhance your audio quality, even if you don't have a microphone. Okay, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video as we discover more ways to solve the online world with ease.